This 2023 Prime Time Sanibel 3602WB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a Portobello interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.